Seen you from afar away. You was talking sideways. If you
Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna get the dirt car prepared for Cars and Coffee tomorrow, and the truck I'm gonna wash tomorrow because I gotta go back to work tonight. And usually they spray down a lot of the roads and stuff, and the limestone throws it everywhere. So I'm gonna wash the truck tomorrow before we go. But we got a Cars and Coffee in Lake Charles, and we are going for the first time. Never been to Cars and Coffee here, so we'll see how big it is. Don't know how big it's gonna be. It's not gonna be anything close to Houston or anything like that. So we're gonna get the dirt car done. The Mustang's already clean because it sits in the garage now. I'm gonna detail spray it a little bit tomorrow before we leave, and I think Haley's got to wash her car tomorrow. But the main goal today is just to get this dirt car back together. I took all the body panels off, as you can see. I take everything off. I usually take the grill off too, but I didn't feel like doing that this time. But take all the body panels off, get the roll cage clean, get the seats clean under the seat. All the wheels are clean. Get all the dirt, any hidden parts that you can't see with the panels on. That's when we take it all off and wash everything down so we can get all the dirt off. But that's what we're about to do. We're gonna put all these panels back on, and oh, look at this. I think it's actually in the truck. Oh yeah, look at this baby. This is a heavy duty GoPro mount for the dirt car. So we're going to be putting that on as well. This is supposed to be super sturdy, so whenever I put it on the roll cage and we're racing around the track, it's not shaking everywhere, and it's a very steady video. Because usually if you put the suction cups on our panels or some of the crappier mounts, they shake really bad and you can't get good footage. So
disrespect me and I'm real disrespectful. I'm posted with my clique, we ain't never flinch. Credit card worth the wrist, LeBron with the chip. All the stars made a slip when I walk I drip. We don't care that you rich, you corny little bitch. I started all the vibes, started all the ways. Could've made it in my country, took it to the States. I'm feeling like I'm ace, giving all the fake. Hit and run, this time and taking pics on my plate. Seen you from afar away. You was talking sideways.
that ain't going nowhere. Gotta tighten this up and then put the GoPro on. We'll see how it fits. Makita brushless impact LXT 18 volt with a 5 AH battery. These things are badass if you want to get some. Link will be in the description. We also got the badass leaf blowers and Makita grinder too. Some little things that I use for my daily use at the house. Makes my life a little bit easier with all these things. And I'm still not done buying Makita. I actually have a Makita drill, guys, that is my dad gave to me. This thing is over 20 years old and it still works. The only thing that's been going bad is the batteries. After a couple years, we have to buy new batteries. Over 20 plus years on a drill. It's crazy. There's one reason why I went with Makita for all my new tools. Show you guys something. I don't know if y'all are curious or even wondering how these actually bolt in and connect the side panels to the car. So we're going to show you right here. They have little joints in there that's welded, and all you got to do is just put them in and twist them with a flathead. Simple as that, huh? But yeah, that's how we put our panels on. And it ain't going anywhere. I also have new shocks and springs coming from Diotti Racing. I cannot wait. We got the Mega Dial kit with the big left rear shock body. Be able to really hit them corners nice and tight and slide that motherfucker around. I can't wait because these shocks and springs that are on here are all messed up from the previous owner. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Cars and Coffee. We're late like always. I am actually moving the trailer right now, and Zach is moving his truck so I can back this puppy up. Oh, let's see. And straighten her up. Cup. How? I'm actually not sure if Zach has driven this truck with his trailer yet, but we're about to find out, see how good he does. Bringing all the rides today. 1, 2, 3. About to roll out. Be like Stradman. Shoo! Cold start up on a 2015 Malibu. Oh, listen to that noise. Ah. like these wheels. They look pretty good. ESRs. Fitment's pretty good. I like it. Ooh, I like that steering wheel too. Bloodstain. So does somebody want to tell me what this is? Oh yes. Tire stickers for the win. This is Zach's new car. Did you just purchase it, Zach?
Yeah, I just purchased it off the lot.
Oh yeah, how much? How much was it?
10 grand.
10 grand?
Oh, not even 100,000 miles on it.
Uh-oh. Manual or automatic?
You know you gotta go manual.
Manual? Damn, did you put that shift knob in there too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, Zach changed his mind.
Yeah.
He likes this one more, so he's buying this one for 10 G's instead.
Yep.
STI. Big wheel gang. That's nice fitment, huh? Carbon fiber. All red in the engine bay. God dang, son.
He burned it when he put that on.
Sorry about your neck. Come on, bro. What you doing? The diffuser looks pretty good. I need to start making them again. Sadly, I don't, because of work. Best thing to do to Miata. Turbo that bitch. This black one's nice too. I like it. Pretty sure this is Judd's car. He works with me. Yeah, he bought it like 2 months ago. It's nice. GT350.
Nice.
I like it. Carbon fiber wing and everything.
Feel the buzz on the way.
Can't wait till we fix this fitment on here. We got specials on the way. Then we're gonna fender roll the fenders and in the back, which I haven't even looked to see if the backs are factory rolled like the Mustangs, but we're gonna get all that squared away.
Yeah.
And try to get some more camber up in the front too, because the back has 3 degrees camber and up here we got 2.5, so we want to match it a little bit. Even the only thing is with her front wheel drive, she runs through tires like crazy, and it's a daily driver, so we're gonna figure it out. Had to wait for a little bit until all the people cleared out from looking at when I first pulled up, so now we can actually look and see how she's sitting. Didn't mess with the splitter today. I didn't drop it down because it's just a Cars and Coffee, but usually I drop it down to the ground whenever we're at car shows, so she's still looking good. We're about to put her on jack stands and get her situated because it's time for a whole new setup on this thing. Can't wait. I got things in store for this beauty. And we also brought the dirt car out today. She's looking cleaned up. That got a lot of attention too whenever I first pulled it in. Hell yeah, brother. Well, we had us a nice little trip to the Cars and Coffee, then we went and ate a little bit. Tell you what, this is the earliest I've been up in a while. I've been working nights at work from 4 to 4 at night. Got home, went to bed. We got up at 9 to get all the cars prepped up for the Cars and Coffee, which I knew it wasn't gonna be big, and it wasn't big. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything. I mean, it is Lake Charles, we are a big city, but car-wise, we don't have that many good cars around here, like Houston and stuff like that. We don't have big events, you know. So, but we're headed home. Gonna get everything packed back to the garage and be ready for the next race. Don't know when the next time I'll be off on a weekend. I was gonna try to get next weekend off to go race, but no one can get off, so we're just gonna work and take my Tuesday, Wednesday off. So not sure when our next race will be, but today was successful, and I cannot wait until we get our new parts for the Mustang. I got some stuff in the works for the truck. Haven't decided on what exactly I want to do and get, but there are parts coming for the truck soon. Once I get everything dialed in on what I need to get on for the truck. Not gonna say what it is yet, but trust me, there are parts coming for the Mustang and the truck. So big things for that, cannot wait. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Y'all take care. Don't forget to subscribe, put the bell notification on as well if you want to know when our videos come live on our YouTube channel. Thanks for subscribing. Cannot wait. We have 49 away until we hit 1,000K subscribers. Cannot believe it. I didn't think we would even get that many, honestly. But glad y'all are here, and just keep watching. I'm doing this for y'all as well as for me. I like doing these videos. So I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care, fam. Peace.
Make go like yeah, what you really want?
You got to be kidding me. As soon as I pulled out of the house, it started raining. But I just got word. Today's the next day on Sunday. I thought I was gonna end the vlog just now, but I just got word last night that Jose for Crane Designs, my homeboy that takes all my pictures, he's actually in Lake Charles because they had Race Armada coming from Houston, Texas. So he's down here. They're gonna be leaving soon. So we're gonna go talk to him a little bit and get some pictures because it's been a little minute since we got some pictures with him. So he's actually in my hometown. So, well, not hometown because I'm actually from Georgia. But you get what I'm saying, where I live at now. So we're about to be there in a second. Yeah. Got us a little spot in Lake Charles. Crane Designs doing his thing. Y'all go follow him. I'll drop it down in the description and on right here. Hey. Dude, I didn't even realize that this water was so much. Usually it's way back there where that pole is. It rained, it must have rained a shit ton last night. But we're gonna get some good photos. We already went to another old warehouse, so we'll be good. But yeah, we got him out here. He's in Houston. Y'all need to hit him up for any kind of videos or photos. He is the best. He's got even a YouTube channel. Go check his shit out because it's amazing. But guys, that is it. A little bit extra on the add-on, but don't forget to subscribe. Put the post notifications on when I do post so y'all know when my next videos are. And thank y'all for subscribing. I will see y'all next video. Peace out, fam.
Make go like yeah, what you really want? Show you who's king in the land for the pawns. Let the phone ring. I've been making these songs. Gotta stay with the hype now. Never gonna pause. See you down for the cause. Better hop on quick. So one day, get the world on my dick. So much more. Don't care being rich when a real good.